Yeah, hey there, Mark. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. We spoke earlier today. I told you I would give you this little video. It's going to show three things that you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business through your website. Most likely you're probably sitting there wondering, asking yourself why I'm doing this, what's in it for me, kind of thing. I've found that a great way to start a relationship with a business owner, local business owners, is by focusing on providing value, right out the gate and showing what I can actually do for you. Not to mention, the majority of business owners, I'm sure yourself, are too busy running your business, to learn how the internet can benefit you and your company. Sometimes I've noticed the only like hesitation there is for hiring someone like me or other marketers out there is you're not always sure, who's an expert or who isn't, right? So I've found that by creating this video, giving you a straight attack plan of actual things that you can use yourself to impact your business for free. It's resulted in, some of those local business owners saying, you know what, Alex? Yeah, I kind of like you. You seem like a cool guy. You seem like you know what you're doing. Go ahead and do this for me, right? So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have, a lot of tricks up my sleeve, go ahead and shoot me a message. I'll call you back and we can chat more about it. If at the end of the video you just want to take this info, do it for yourself, I have no problem with that. Go ahead. Like I said, this is a plan that I'm giving for you, and that works for me too. So I'm going to get straight to the point. Sorry about that. Three different things that you can use to beat your competition online. Step one big part is content. So I took a look at your website. I could definitely help you out with that as well. Your web design and such. You're gonna need a little bit more on-page SEO going. But sorry, the main thing is you're gonna need more content. So about 1,500 words, 1,200, 1,500 words, to be optimized with Google at your best potential. Okay. You have probably about, maybe 100 or 200. Okay. So we got to improve the content we have on your site here, on your home page especially, and then even the service pages. And then, you go over to these guys, your competitors, for carpet cleaning. There's actually carpet cleaning Orange County. I noticed when I look. So these guys here, they have about, maybe only 500 words at most. Okay. The 1,500 words, that just helps even more. That's getting you to your top potential. You don't want more than 1,500. It depends on how many keywords, but I'll talk more about that with you. So these guys over here, again, these are your competitors. How I say that is when you look up, you know what? This is for Orange County though. So your Irvine, these guys are your top competitors for the search terms you're ranking for. So what you have showing up, this is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. It's about $100, $150 a month, depending on the plan. Every month people are searching for. So you have carpet cleaning Irvine, California, carpet cleaning Irvine. So see, those are good volumes, 600, 200. Those are good keywords to be going for. I was actually reaching out to rank you for Orange County terms, but Irvine looks like it's popping. So the only thing about carpet cleaning is it is a bit competitive. We could definitely get it done. I want to show you here. So carpet cleaning. This is something called the KD. Okay, the keyword difficulty, and it ranges on a scale of 1 to 100. 1 being easier, 100 being harder. Now, just because this is 1 doesn't mean it's very easy. You have to know what you're doing, and even if it's more of a time frame. So 1 through 5 could be like it takes about 3 months to rank with the right practices. 17, you're looking at about 9 to 12 months of some good work going, right, and that'll get going. But that's what I want to talk with you about. See on your service page and your home page, if we get rug cleaning Orange County going, 350 searches, upholstery cleaning, you do both of those things, 250, that's a lot of searches, and we can get that going pretty quick, as you can see. So yeah, this is Ahrefs, and you can go ahead and use that tool for yourself. So yeah, and when you go here, obviously, I'll just talk about it with you real quick. So carpet cleaning, we'll go Irvine. Carpet cleaning Irvine. So here you have, so these are Google ads right here. These are I believe they're called the Google Direct ads. And then so those are technically at the top. These are sponsored, right? But you pay these, or Google guaranteed. Sorry, that's what they're called. Um, and these are pay per click though. So, studies have shown that these ads are only semi-effective, and if not done right, they could become a money pit, and if they're not done correctly. But SEO in the long run always saves you money, um, ranking organically. But here we go here. This is the Google Map Pack, okay? And you may be wondering, how do I rank my business on Google Maps? Well, how you do that is through citations, okay? This is the second thing that I want to go over with you. Citations, how you rank for them, or explain citations first, sorry. You have the business name. You usually have so you have the address right here, then you have phone number. So I like to call that the NAPS. So name, address, phone number, and as many of these as possible. That'll help you rank for the Google Maps when people are looking up carpet cleaning Irvine. So this is a tool I use. It's called whitespark.ca. It's only about 30 to 70 bucks a month, depending on your plan. So here you go. You could look. You have 32 citations pointing to your site, and your competitor in Irvine has 44. So you're pretty close to beating them out there. I suggest all of my clients to beat them out entirely. So look, let's not just get 45 where they have 44. Let's get total of let's just double what you have. Let's get 64. Let's beat them by a landslide, so they don't even know what's coming, and they can't, and we're so far ahead they can't catch up on that end, right? So you beat them on content, you beat them on citations. That's really going to help you out. And this tool, how it works, look, so Yellow Pages, and these are examples. Facebook has one, Yelp, Yellow Pages. See, these are the ones you have in green. The red ones are the ones you don't. And it shows you what your competitors have, and you could just literally click here, type in your info, and take that citation for yourself. So it's a very effective tool. That's whitespark.ca. But what I'm going to go over now, the third thing I want to cover with you, is another important aspect to Google. We call this, we call it link juice. So you can see, obviously, when we search for your site, you're not showing up as number one. That's what we want to do. So in order to beat your competition and rank at the top here, beat Yelp, beat these guys here, in order to do that, we need to beat them on the content, sorry, the citations, and the link juice. So this link juice, simply put, it works like this. You get site A, right? You have site A is pointing to site B, and site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. Okay, it's almost like a popularity contest to Google. Okay, if you want to think of, you could think of jumper cables. Okay, when someone's car their battery needs to start, you have the car that works, it's pointing to the car that doesn't, and it powers it up, right? So this right here, the 19, this is the power of the links that you have, of the backlinks you already have pointing to your site. I threw your site in there, lightning bolt carpet, and this is the trust. So what this means is the sites that are going to your, pointing and linking to your website are powerful. However, they're not very relevant, or they're not very trusted by Google. So what that means is, here's an example. We don't want to have your website on pizzahut.com or cars.com. because you're not slinging pizzas or you're not selling cars for a living, right? You're cleaning people's carpet, you're cleaning their rugs, you're cleaning their upholstery. Okay, that's what we're doing. So here this is called the copycat method. Okay, when you carpet cleaning OC pros, those are one of your competitors for carpet cleaning Orange County. Or we're doing Irvine though. Sorry, I keep forgetting. Carpet cleaning Irvine. So this is your competitor right here, carpetcleaningirvine.com. Let's throw them in there. Do I already have them? Yeah, I do. So carpet cleaning Irvine right there. So here's our traffic, 127. You could click on the referring domains, which is basically the same as the backlinks. So simply explained, each referring domain might have 20 backlinks to it. So we want to beat them on either one. But copycat method, you can literally copy every single one of these links and fill out your info. Okay. UnitedStatesBD.com. That might not be the most authoritative or reputable. Well, yeah. So this is the trust here, though. So it looks like there's a good trust um, statistic there. However, these might not always be relevant. So look, SoCal Carpet Care is definitely relevant. Okay, Carpet Cleaning Irvine 1.weebly. That's probably some sort of blog or a news site that they just connected to it. But yeah, so it looks like in your case, when it comes to that, we just need some more relevant sites. Okay, and then for example, Rug Cleaning Orange County. This is what I want to talk to you about mainly. So Oriental Rug Cleaning Orange County. I threw them in right here. I didn't, but I will right now. This is your top competitor for Rug Cleaning Orange County that gets 350 searches a month that we're missing out on, okay? We got to get that. We got to get those searches. And pardon me if I'm wrong, but the rug cleaning is very, those are some pretty good margins I hear. So we could definitely take advantage of that. And look, so they don't even have many referring domains. At this point, it's probably just an older site that's well known. Okay, so we could definitely beat them and get that. We'll probably look at a different competitor um, rather than them to copy their referring domains. Maybe with all subdomains, see if that changes. But anyways, Mark, I don't want to take any more time from you. Here we go. See, there's more. There's more referring domains. You copy these, or I don't always just copy. Sometimes you got to grab the right stuff, right? It has to be, take the good stuff, leave the bad stuff away. So yeah, that's how we can beat your competitors online. Those are 3 strategies, very powerful and proven. It's the content. We're going to need about 1,500 words on your homepage, more maybe 500 words on each service page, and we're going to need some citations. We're going to want to double that, beat your competitors by a landslide. Then link juice. We're going to need some more relevant sites pointing to your site. Improve this trust right here, and just get more backlinks. Okay, I can help you out with. I have access to a whole private blog network that has many relevant sites that you could rent month by month, and it really pays off. These are established websites that are proven. Many of my people in my network also use them. Okay, and they're not spammy either. But I'll talk to you more about that. Shouldn't have even brought that up exactly yet, but I appreciate you giving me time to make this video for you. I'll let you go. You can reach me at 949-649-6093. That's 949-649-6093. Last thing, want to bring up, I could help you out with your website as well. That's definitely going to help you improve your SEO, because SEO is on page and off page. Okay, and that includes all the content on there, but we need to add some more pictures. But yeah, hey, I'll let you go, Mark. Thanks for your time. Take care.